back to another video. In today's video I will be showing you guys a couple of stuff I got from Amazon. The reason I'm making this video is because one of my subscribers asked me if some of these companies actually still ship to Nigeria, and yes, Amazon ships to Nigeria, and I can go on and on telling you the list of companies that ship to Nigeria, but that is after I am done showing you the things I got for this video. And yeah, so yeah, the packaging came in this box. Some of them came here, some of them came in another box. I feel that some of these things were repackaged. This is actually an Amazon box, but I think they opened it to check what was in it for customs and everything. Yeah, so that's just one thing I wanted to let you know, like in case you come and see your package looking all raggy like this, is because I feel here they have to open it, check what is in it before sealing it back. And the company that actually ships for Amazon to Nigeria is Aramex, and they have another company too, which I got some other of my orders from. That company is actually UPS. I think they use both UPS and Aramex. That's just one thing I wanted to tell you guys. So that is it for the packaging. It comes in a box like this, already opened and resealed. The first thing I got from Amazon is this very tripod. It's huge, guys. I have a tripod that I'm using now with my phone to film, but I figured I don't have like a sturdy, strong tripod, so I decided to get this one. And this one is the UB tripod. It's really nice. It's really strong and sturdy, and in case I will get a camera in future, this will come in very handy. So I figured I should just get them now in preparation for my future camera, because guys, you guys know that this year I'm manifesting a lot of stuff, and for you to manifest your camera, you need to manifest the equipment as well. And the equipment are here, and so will the camera be very soon by the grace of God. So I want to show you guys how long this camera can go. It's really, oh my god, I don't think it even has an end. Can you guys see? It has about how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 extensions. Guys, this thing goes very long. Guys, can you see how tall this thing is? So imagine you putting your camera or your phone here. It's actually as tall as I am, almost just a little bit. I'm a 5'6", so this is about I think it can even go longer. I think it can even go longer, but yeah, it's very durable, and trust me, it's very strong, it's very sturdy. If you have a camera that's about for even if it's $100 camera or a phone, you wouldn't want to put it on what I'm using here for my phone, because it's very lightweight and it's likely going to fall with just a little friction. But this one, it looks very sturdy, and I'm very happy I got this. So yeah, and how much, I don't know how much this cost. I'm going to put a link to everything I got, but I know it's not up to $50, guys. It's not up to $50. I'm going to put a link to everything I got in the description box, so you can check it out if you're interested, or you can check out other similar products. So there's one thing I wanted to say, is that most people are scared of shopping from online, especially from outside the country. But like I can tell you that I am, usually before I started using Amazon, I am somebody that I love shopping online, guys. I love shopping online, not from individuals, like from businesses that I'm very sure. Like Amazon is very trustworthy. They are the kind of companies that even if you get what you don't like, you can return it. And I know it's very expensive shipping from here to back, like returning something from Nigeria here outside the country or back to the US. But the good news is they actually pay your shipping once you return something back, and even sometimes they replace it even without you returning. Like last time I ordered this tripod, it was really it wasn't giving me what I want. I complained, and guess what, they sent me another pay. I did not pay extra. So that is one thing with shopping with very good reliable stores like Amazon. I love this tripod, and I can't wait to use it with my camera or my phone soon. And I forgot to tell you guys, it actually came in this bag. You can actually store it here and use it for easy travel or for taking it around. Yeah. The next item I ordered from Amazon is this Boya mic. As you guys can see, I already opened it. So I already opened it. I got this Boya mic, and it's the Boya Universal Cardioid BM-M1 mic. Oops. I'm going to get that later. So this mic is supposed to work with your phone as well as your camera. Guys, something happened. I actually have a Boya mic, which is what I'm using, but what I have is the lavalier mic on my phone now, and this one is not the lavalier mic. This one is actually for vlogging. It's going to help you with the noise and everything. And I ordered another mic, which is called the Rode mic, the same mic like this with this dead cat and everything. I forgot that I ordered 2 mics, different companies, and since I have the Boya mic, which is what I'm currently using on my phone, I want to sell this one to another person. So if you're interested in buying a mic, I'm going to sell it. I'm not selling it, I'm going to give it to you at the price I got it, like at the same price I got it. I am not selling it to you, so you're just going to even get it better because it's already here in Nigeria. I can just hit me up if you're interested. Just hit me up on my Instagram. It also came with this very beautiful bag, as the other one I'm using also came with too. It came with this very beautiful pouch, so you can store it in here. Guys, as part of manifesting our dream camera, I also got this card reader, and it's the Ugreen card reader. This is supposed to connect to your I don't really know how to use it. I think you're supposed to put your SD card here and connect this to your computer, then connect this to your what is it called, external hard drive, something like that. I'm going to figure it out once I get my camera by God's grace. So I just got these things because, as I said, I'm manifesting my camera, my dream camera. So I got everything ready. So once it's here, I'm just going to start filming and giving you guys content back to back. So that is it for this one. And I forgot to add that the UV tripod actually came, UV size tripod actually came with this very beautiful remote. It has a remote and a phone case in case you want to use it with your phone. It has a phone case and a remote. And let me show you. I just pray I haven't reeled this. No, it looks strong. I don't think it's real. And it has a remote for both your phone and both the camera, both for iOS and both for Android. Nice. So if you have an Android phone, you can use it. If you have iPhone, you can use it. The next thing I got is this SD card, Extreme SanDisk SD card. I got it in the 128 gig. I like this SD card. I like this SD card so much, and I've heard a lot about it. It's speed up to 150 megabytes, blah blah blah. Can contain up to 32 hours worth of footage and blah blah blah. As I said, we're manifesting our camera, and this came in as well. The last but not the least is this beautiful Manfrotto tripod. It's a mini tripod, guys. Let me just unbox it here and show you guys what it's like. And I think I actually got the PZ Evo, the bigger version instead of the smaller one. And they said it's for DSLR cameras. I wanted to get the smaller one, but for some reason I went to pay. And this one is about $40 something, even $40. I wanted to get the smaller one. I don't know how come I got this bigger one, but I'm not even regretting it because people who own the smaller one were always complaining that it gets broken and everything. And look, I wonder how small the smaller ones would be if this one is like this. And it's not that big, it's not that heavy, it's just more sturdy. You can make it like this. If I want to film, I don't need to use a big tripod to hold. You can just hold this. And from the reviews, this thing is very, very reliable and strong. I can also put it on something like my table or something and just film. And I think it's extendable, guys. You see? You can still extend it more like a tripod, but not a tripod. I can put it on any of my shelves and still film. And the good thing about this Manfrotto mini tripod is that you can rotate it 360. If you want your camera to bend, like if you're doing a vlog or a video for, like food and you want to show something on the table, this thing can just stand like this and still show your objects down there. So it's really nice. It has this very ball-like stuff, and yeah, this thing is to tighten it so this stuff stops working, and loosen it and this thing goes round. I love it. I was wishing I got the smaller one, but now that I have this one, I don't even mind it because I think it's more sturdy in terms of the grip in the field. Yeah. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll just put a link to them in my description box, so if you want to get it, you just click on the link and it'll take you to the Amazon site. So that is it for this video. Till I see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I always forget. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.